Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Honda CRV gas cap. First, locate the fuel door release lever inside your vehicle's cabin, usually on the driver's side floor or dashboard. Pull this lever firmly upwards or towards you. You should hear a click as the fuel door unlatches. If your CRV has a traditional gas cap, simply twist it counterclockwise until it loosens completely. It's a straightforward process. Sometimes the fuel door might not open immediately. A common reason is that the fuel door is linked to your vehicle's central locking system, so ensure all doors are unlocked. Also, many newer Honda CRV models feature a capless fuel system, meaning there's no physical cap to twist off. You just insert the pump nozzle directly. Always check for any small obstructions around the fuel door that could prevent it from opening smoothly. If your fuel door still won't open, don't worry, there's an emergency release. Head to the trunk or cargo area of your CRV. Look for a small access panel, usually located near the fuel filler side of the vehicle. Carefully remove this panel, and you should find a small cord or lever. Pull this emergency release cord towards you, and it will manually unlatch the fuel door, allowing you to refuel. Once you've finished refueling, if your CRV has a traditional gas cap, twist it clockwise until you hear several clicks to ensure it's sealed properly. For capless systems, simply remove the nozzle and the tank seals itself. Then, gently push the fuel door closed until it latches securely. And hey, while you're here, don't forget to check out the description below. You'll find a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, plus some other great deals we've put together just for you. It's a simple way to boost your financial knowledge.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.